Do you dream of a hobby farm located in the country? Imagine a farmhouse with space for your animals to roam, a place where you can grow your own veggies, and enjoy Colorado sunrises. Let's go explore. Inside, you'll find an open floor plan with an updated kitchen featuring granite tile counters, painted oak cabinets, and stainless steel appliances, flowing right into the dining and living room with big views and deck access. Upstairs, the primary suite has dual closets, a private bath, and this deck perfect for morning coffee with a view. The walkout basement adds more space, including a family room and a big ensuite bedroom, making it perfect for guests or multi-generational living. This home is move-in ready with a brand new roof, fresh exterior paint, and upgraded PELLA windows and doors. For the animal lovers, there's a 2-stall barn ready for horses, goats, or chickens, and multiple fenced pastures for grazing. Enjoy your expansive garden, complete with sunflowers, grapevines, veggies, plus apple, cherry, and plum trees. Talk about farm to table living. And this is a dream space for hobbyists, car enthusiasts, or RV owners. A huge metal workshop with oversized door, electrical, and 220 power. Endless possibilities are here. All of this is set in Elizabeth, a community celebrated for its equestrian and hobby farm lifestyle. Are you ready to live the farmhouse dream? Come check out this beautiful property located in charming Elizabeth, Colorado.